Welcome back to Rich Mind Academy, the channel where we explore smart money habits, modern business ideas, and the mindset that helps ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Before we begin, here's something important. This video is not about get-rich-quick schemes. There are no magic apps, secret investments, or overnight success stories here. Every income idea you'll hear today requires consistency, patience, and the willingness to learn. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest. They're simply the ones who start while everyone else keeps waiting. Now let's begin with income idea number 1, AI service business. Artificial intelligence has changed the way businesses operate. But here's something interesting. Thousands of small businesses know AI is important, yet they have absolutely no idea how to use it. That's where the opportunity begins. Instead of creating the next AI software, you can become the person who helps businesses use existing AI tools. Imagine helping a local restaurant create social media posts, helping a real estate agent write property descriptions, helping a dentist automate appointment reminders, helping an online store answer customer questions. You're not selling technology, you're solving problems. Companies happily pay people who save them time. Learning these AI tools takes weeks, not years. As more businesses adopt AI, the demand for people who understand these systems will continue growing. The biggest lesson? Don't compete with AI. Learn how to work alongside it. 2. Digital products. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again. That's the power of digital products. A digital product could be an ebook, a budgeting spreadsheet, a business planner, a workout guide, printable templates, resume designs, social media content packs, or even AI prompt collections. Unlike physical products, there's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs, and no warehouse. You build it once, upload it, and every future sale becomes mostly profit. The biggest mistake people make is trying to create something for everyone. Instead, solve one specific problem. For example, if you're a graphic designer, sell Canva templates. If you're good at budgeting, create a finance planner. If you know fitness, make a beginner workout guide. The more useful your product is, the easier it becomes to sell. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Faceless YouTube channels. Many people believe they need expensive cameras or a perfect appearance to become successful on YouTube. That's simply not true anymore. Today, thousands of creators earn money without ever showing their faces. They use stock videos, animations, AI voiceovers, motion graphics, and simple editing. The secret isn't your face. It's the value of your content. Topics like finance, psychology, business, history, motivation, technology, and self-improvement continue attracting millions of viewers every month. The first few videos may not perform well. That's normal. Success on YouTube comes from consistency. Every upload becomes another digital asset working for you 24 hours a day. Some videos continue earning views and income years after they were published. Imagine building a library of 100 videos. Each one becomes another opportunity to reach new viewers every single day. 4. Affiliate marketing. What if you could earn money by recommending products you genuinely believe in? That's affiliate marketing. Instead of creating your own product, you promote someone else's. When someone purchases through your referral link, you receive a commission. This works especially well through YouTube, blogs, newsletters, or social media. For example, if you review productivity software, recommend books, share business tools, or discuss personal finance, you can naturally recommend products your audience actually needs. Trust matters far more than traffic. A small audience that believes your recommendations is often more valuable than millions of random viewers. Never promote something just because it pays well. Recommend products that genuinely help people. Long-term trust always beats short-term profits. 5. Online skill coaching. Every skill has value. You don't have to be the world's greatest expert. You simply need to know more than the beginner you're teaching. Can you speak another language? Can you edit videos? Can you use Excel? Can you play guitar? Can you design logos? Can you help people prepare for interviews? Someone out there is willing to pay to learn that skill faster. People pay for shortcuts. Instead of spending months figuring everything out alone, they'd rather learn from someone who's already done it. As your experience grows, so does your income. Eventually, your coaching sessions can become group classes, online courses, or memberships that generate recurring revenue. Remember, knowledge becomes much more valuable when it's shared. 6. Print-on-demand business. Imagine selling clothing, mugs, phone cases, posters, or notebooks without ever touching the products yourself. That's exactly how print-on-demand works. You create the design. When someone places an order, a supplier prints it, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You never manage inventory, you never visit a warehouse. Your main responsibility is creating attractive designs and marketing them effectively. Success doesn't come from creating hundreds of random designs. It comes from understanding a specific audience. People love buying products that reflect their personality, hobbies, careers, or beliefs. The better you understand your audience, the better your business performs. 7. Build a newsletter business. Most people spend years trying to build a massive audience on social media, but smart entrepreneurs know something different. An email list is one of the most valuable digital assets you can own. Why? Because social media algorithms change, accounts get suspended, views go up and down, but an email list belongs to you. Imagine sending one valuable email every week about personal finance, investing, productivity, or business. Over time, people begin trusting your advice. That trust creates opportunities. You can recommend useful products, sell digital downloads, offer premium newsletters, or promote your own courses. The secret isn't sending more emails, it's sending better emails. Every message should educate, inspire, or solve a real problem. When readers consistently receive value, they'll continue opening your emails for years. 8. Local business marketing agency. Walk through your city for just 15 minutes. You'll probably see restaurants, gyms, dentists, barbershops, real estate offices, small clothing stores. Now ask yourself one question: how many of them have excellent social media? The answer is probably very few. Many business owners are experts at running their businesses, but they're not experts at online marketing. That's where opportunity exists. If you learn skills like content creation, short-form video editing, Google business optimization, Facebook advertising, or Instagram management, you can offer those services to local businesses. Instead of looking for thousands of customers, you might only need 10 businesses paying you every month. If each client pays $1,000 monthly, that's already a six-figure annual business. The biggest advantage? Businesses don't buy marketing. They buy more customers. If your work helps increase their revenue, they'll happily continue paying for your services. Always focus on measurable results instead of fancy presentations. Results create referrals, and referrals build businesses. 9. High-income freelancing. Many people think freelancing means working for low-paying clients forever. That's completely wrong. Successful freelancers don't compete on price, they compete on value. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, video editor, web developer, copywriter, translator, animator, or AI specialist, your goal isn't finding more clients. Your goal is becoming so skilled that clients compete to hire you. Think about it. Would a business rather hire someone cheap who creates problems, or pay more for someone who consistently delivers excellent work? The answer is obvious. Invest in improving your skills every single month. Read books, take courses, study successful professionals, practice constantly. The better your skills become, the more freedom you'll have to choose your projects, set your prices, and work with clients you actually enjoy. Remember this: skills create income, great skills create wealth, and rare skills create financial freedom. 10. Sell online courses. Think back to the last time you wanted to learn something new. Maybe it was video editing, graphic design, photography, public speaking, or even how to use artificial intelligence. Where did you go? Most likely you searched online. That's because people are willing to pay for knowledge that saves them time. If you've spent years learning a valuable skill, don't keep it to yourself. Package your experience into a simple online course. You don't need a Hollywood studio. You don't need expensive cameras. You only need clear explanations and practical lessons that help people achieve results. The best courses don't overwhelm students with information. They guide people step by step. Remember, people aren't buying videos, they're buying transformation. If your course helps someone earn more money, save time, or improve their life, it becomes far more valuable than its price. As your reputation grows, your course can continue generating income for years with only occasional updates. Knowledge becomes one of the few assets that increases in value the more you share it. 11. Software as a service, SaaS. Years ago, starting a software company required huge investments and a team of developers. Today, that's changing. Thanks to no-code and low-code platforms, entrepreneurs can build useful software without writing thousands of lines of code. Businesses constantly need tools that solve small problems: appointment scheduling, invoice management, project tracking, customer support, inventory management, employee communication. None of these ideas sound exciting, but they solve real problems, and businesses pay monthly subscriptions for solutions that save them time. That's what makes SaaS so powerful. Instead of earning money once, you earn recurring income every month. Even if you don't know programming today, you can start by identifying problems first. Every successful software company began by solving one simple frustration. The bigger the problem, the more valuable the solution becomes. 12. Invest in cash flow assets. Many people spend their entire lives working for money. Wealthy people eventually learn to make money work for them. That's the difference. Instead of spending every dollar they earn, they gradually purchase assets that generate income. These assets might include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, royalty-generating intellectual property, or businesses that produce consistent cash flow. The goal isn't becoming rich overnight. The goal is creating financial stability over time. Imagine receiving income every month without working extra hours. That income can then be reinvested into even more assets. This creates a powerful cycle. Your money earns more money, which earns even more money. That's how long-term wealth is built. Start small if necessary. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Remember, income pays your bills, assets build your future. 13. Buy existing digital businesses. When most people think about starting a business, they imagine building everything from zero. But here's a smarter approach. Instead of creating a business, buy one that's already making money. Every year, thousands of website owners, YouTube creators, newsletter publishers, and online store owners decide to sell their businesses. Some want to retire, some lose interest. Others simply want to move on to a new project. That creates an opportunity for smart buyers. Imagine purchasing a small website that already receives thousands of visitors every month. Instead of spending years building an audience, you start with customers already waiting. Of course, every business should be carefully researched before buying. Study its income, traffic sources, expenses, customer reviews, growth potential. The goal isn't buying the biggest business, it's buying one with room to improve. Sometimes a few simple changes, better marketing, faster customer service, or improved products can significantly increase its value. Smart investors don't always build from scratch. Sometimes they buy what's already working and make it even better. 14. License. Your creative work. Most people create something once, get paid once, and move on. Successful creators think differently. They create something once and get paid again and again through licensing. Imagine you're a photographer. Instead of selling one photo to one person, you license that image so multiple companies can legally use it. The same applies to music, illustrations, animations, video clips, fonts, graphic templates, even AI-generated design assets. Every time someone legally uses your work, you receive income. This is one of the smartest ways to turn creativity into long-term revenue. The key is quality. Businesses pay for professional assets because they save time. Instead of creating everything themselves, they purchase ready-made content. The more high-quality assets you build, the larger your digital portfolio becomes. Over time, your portfolio starts working even while you're sleeping. 15. Build a niche community. In today's world, attention is valuable, but trust is priceless. People want to belong to communities where they can learn, grow, and connect with others who share the same interests. Instead of trying to attract everyone, focus on serving one specific group exceptionally well. Maybe it's entrepreneurs, freelancers, fitness enthusiasts, investors, students, or people learning AI. Create valuable content consistently, answer questions, share useful resources, celebrate your members' successes. As your community grows, opportunities naturally appear. Premium memberships, exclusive content, live workshops, digital products, brand partnerships, events. The strongest businesses aren't built on products, they're built on relationships. People may forget a video, they may forget a post, but they'll always remember how your community made them feel. If you genuinely help people succeed, your community becomes one of your greatest business assets. 16. Build a personal brand. In today's digital economy, one of the most valuable assets you can own isn't a product, it isn't a company, it's your reputation. A personal brand is simply what people think about when they hear your name. When people trust you, opportunities begin to appear naturally. Companies invite you to collaborate, brands ask for partnerships, clients contact you instead of you chasing them, and your audience becomes your biggest marketing team. The best part? You don't have to become famous, you only need to become valuable. Share what you're learning, document your journey, teach the lessons you've already mastered. Tell honest stories about your failures as well as your successes. People connect with authenticity far more than perfection. Post consistently, improve your communication skills, answer questions, help people solve real problems. Over time, your content becomes your digital resume. Every video, every article, every podcast, every post works for you even while you're offline. The strongest personal brands aren't built in a month, they're built through years of consistency. Remember this, money follows attention, but lasting wealth follows trust. 17. Master high-income skills. Technology changes, markets change, businesses change. But one thing never changes. People always pay for valuable skills. Instead of chasing every new business trend, invest in becoming exceptionally good at something. Learn copywriting, video editing, sales, programming, graphic design, artificial intelligence, public speaking, negotiation, marketing, or leadership. These are skills that businesses around the world need every single day. Here's something successful people understand. The more difficult your skill is to replace, the more valuable you become. Never stop learning. Read books, take online courses, watch industry experts, practice every single day. Your first version won't be perfect, neither will your 10th. But after hundreds of hours of focused practice, you'll become someone businesses are willing to pay premium prices. Skills are like seeds. At first they seem small, but with patience and consistent effort, they grow into opportunities that can completely change your financial future. Never underestimate the power of becoming excellent at one thing. 18. Build multiple income streams. Finally, perhaps the smartest income idea of all. Stop depending on only one source of income. Imagine a tree with only one branch. If that branch breaks, the entire tree struggles. Now imagine a tree with dozens of strong branches. Even if one branch is damaged, the tree continues growing. Your finances should work the same way. Keep your primary job if you have one. But slowly build additional income. Maybe YouTube, a digital product, affiliate marketing, investments, freelancing, consulting, an online store, a newsletter, or rental income. Don't try building all of them at once. Start with one, master it. Then use the income from that stream to build the next one. This creates stability, confidence, freedom, and eventually, financial independence. The goal isn't working more hours forever, The goal is creating systems that continue producing value long after your work is finished. The wealthiest people rarely depend on just one paycheck. They build multiple streams that support each other, and that's exactly how long-term wealth is created. Conclusion. So, which of these 18 smart income ideas stood out to you the most? Was it building a YouTube channel, creating digital products, starting an AI service business, learning a high-income skill, or building multiple income streams? No matter which path you choose, remember this. Information alone never changes lives. Action does. Millions of people will watch videos like this today. Most will feel motivated for a few minutes, then they'll close the video and continue living exactly the same way. A small percentage will choose one idea, learn it, practice it, stay consistent, and completely change their financial future over the next few years. The difference isn't intelligence, it isn't luck, it isn't talent, it's the decision to start. Your future isn't created overnight, it's built by the small choices you make every single day. One skill learned, one book read, one business started, one investment made. Those small actions eventually become extraordinary results. Remember, the best time to build wealth was years ago. The second best time is today. Thank you for watching Rich Mind Academy. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next lesson on wealth, business, and financial freedom.